In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could see the weekly trials here in Arc Raiders. Before you get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this is actually super easy to go ahead and do, but first things first, you are not going to want to be in a game to do this, so make sure that you are on the home menu. After you do get on the home menu here, go ahead and select Raider up at the very top menu, and then from here, you're going to see a few different options. Go ahead and select Trials. Just keep in mind, you do need to be at least level 15 before you can go ahead and access this area. But essentially, get to level 15, open up this section, and up at the very top, you're going to see a tab called Weekly Trials. Go ahead and select that, and in this section you're going to see all the challenges that you can complete for the current week, like destroying ticks, fireballs, and pops, switching supply drops, dealing damage, and so much more. Each challenge obviously earns you points, and the more points you earn, the higher your trial rank goes up and the more rewards that you will unlock for that week. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. That is how you could check your weekly trials here in Arc Raiders. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.